Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update CRM tags in Zoho CRM for investors, complete guide step by step clearly. To update CRM tags in Zoho CRM for investors, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the Contacts module from the main dashboard. Select the specific contact you want to update. In the Contact Details page, locate the Tags section. Click on the Edit button next to the Tags section. A drop-down menu or a text box will appear for tag input. To add a new tag, type the desired tag name and press Enter. If you want to remove an existing tag, click the X next to the tag you wish to delete. Make sure to review your tags for accuracy and relevance. Once all changes are complete, click on the Save button to finalize updates. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the tags have been updated successfully. Repeat the process for each investor contact as needed. For bulk updating of tags, return to the Contacts module. Select multiple contacts by checking the boxes next to their names. Click on the More option at the top of the contacts list. Choose Edit Tags from the drop-down menu. Input the new tags in the field provided and press Enter. Click Update to apply changes to all selected contacts. This will streamline your tagging process and keep your CRM organized. Lastly, ensure that your tags remain relevant and consistent for effective tracking and follow-up. You have now successfully updated CRM tags in Zoho CRM for investors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.